It all started like any other chase. Police spot a car that shouldn't be on the road. Behind the wheel, a 16-year-old kid. But instead of pulling over, he floors it. And what he does next, no one could have seen coming. As the sirens get louder, he panics. The car's still rolling, tires screeching, and suddenly he opens the door and jumps. Right out of a moving car, right onto the road. It's hard to believe he even got up after that.
"104 has one in custody on the bridge. We're pulling up with the car."
Presently.
104, do you have the driver? Next car in, shut that siren off on 104's car. Next car in, pull up at 104.
Officers caught up and took him in. Somehow, he only had a few scratches. But that one moment changed everything. Sometimes, one bad choice can turn your whole life upside down. If you're still watching, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe. More real stories coming your way.